Looking to embed videos seamlessly in your WordPress site? In this video, we are exploring the video block from Blocks, perfect for adding YouTube, Vimeo or self-hosted video with customizable settings. Whether you are showcasing tutorials, product demos or any video content, I'll guide you through setting it up and customizing. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. And make sure to install the Blocks free plugin. Step 1. Install and activate the Blocks free plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugin. Then in the search bar, search for Blocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Step 2. Activate the video block. To do that, go to Blocks and then Blocks and search for Video. This is the block. Enable it and click on Save Settings. Let's see the settings of video block from Blocks. From the source, you have to select the source of your video. You can add video from YouTube, you can add video from Vimeo, or you can self-host your video on your own site. Let's see the YouTube option. In the YouTube ID field, you have to add the YouTube video ID that you want to add. Then in the player setting, you will find some option related to the video player. You can autoplay the video, you can mute the video, you can play the video on loop, you can show or hide the video controls. The video info option is deprecated by YouTube. Video touch disable will disable the touch feature on your video. From the suggested video toggle, you can show related video from the current channel. By enabling the privacy mode, you can add more privacy to your video. YouTube won't track the user data unless the video is played. From the banner or icon tab, you can add a banner or icon as an overlay of your video. You can add an icon or banner. In icon, you can only add a image as icon. In banner, you can add a background image. Then you can adjust the image size. You can add a image as icon in the center, as we have done over here. Then you can add video title, video description. The video title and description will show once you hover over the video. By enabling the play on pop-up toggle, you can play the video in a pop-up. Then from the SEO options tab, you can make your video more SEO friendly. By enabling the enable schema markup toggle, you can optimize your video so search engines can understand the context and details of your content. From the accessibility tab, you can add an iframe title to the video. Now let's see the Vimeo option. You have to add the Vimeo video ID in the Vimeo ID field. In the player settings tab, you will find video player option related to the Vimeo player. You can autoplay the video, you can mute the video, you can loop the video, you can disable the touch feature, you can adjust the control color, you can show or hide the video title. From the intro portrait toggle, you can show or hide the user profile image. From the intro byline toggle, you can show or hide the username. Let's see the self-hosted option. In this option, you can add video from your own media library. You have to add the video in your WordPress media library, then you can add that video over here. In the player setting tab, you will find video player related option for the self-hosted video. You can autoplay the video, you can mute the video, you can play the video in loop, you can show or hide controls, you can disable the touch feature. In the style tab, you will find all the styling options required to customize this block. From the video tab, you can adjust the border radius, box shadow. You can add custom transform CSS for normal and hover states. If you have enabled this custom layout toggle, then you will see this icon, video title and video description tabs. By enabling the continuous animation toggle, you can animate the icon continuously. From the animation effect, you can add different animation effect. You can play the animation on hover. You can set the duration. You can adjust the icon radius, icon size. From the video title tab, you can adjust the video title typography, color, background color. On the video description tab, you can adjust the video description typography and color. In the advanced tab, you will find some additional styling option to style the container of this block, which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the video block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.